Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Waffle maker. Easy to use. With dual indicator lights and a 5-setting browning control, you can choose your waffle's specific cook temp. Ceramic non-stick surface waffle grids easily release waffles and make cleaning effortless. Must-have features: regulating thermostat with red and green, ready-to-bake, ready-to-eat indicator lights. You've also got 1-inch deep batter pockets for thick, delicious waffles. Also stands on end for compact storage. Included, instruction manual and recipe book with several recipes to get you started. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Non-stick turner. Professional grade for home cooks. Meticulously crafted from premium material for unparalleled durability and resilience to high temperatures without getting damaged. Durable enough for restaurants, but designed to make flipping while frying, sautéing, and grilling at home easier than ever before. Precision in every flip. This wide-slotted turner is perfect for cooking a variety of meals. Whether it's delicate eggs, sizzling fish, meaty burgers, or fluffy pancakes, it allows you to fry and flip with ease, ensuring your creations are cooked just the way you desire. Melting pot. Temperature display. No additional thermometer is needed to help control the temperature of the wax. The wax melting machine will display real-time temperature numbers on the monitor, simplifying the candle-making process and improving your work efficiency. Air fryer magnetic cheat sheet. Air fryer magnet. This air fryer times and temp guide magnet is carefully crafted with waterproof, oil-resistant, and tear-proof materials. Our cheat sheet is built to last. The sturdy big magnet, 10.5 into 6.5 inch, and small magnet, 5 into 5 inch, securely attaches to your fridge or any magnetic surface. Air frying made easy. These cool kitchen gadgets come with 2 cooking essential magnetic cheat sheets made for air fryers that show the cooking time, temperature, and portion of food to take the guesswork out of cooking, so you don't have to waste time looking things up. This makes for a great air fryer cookbook for beginners. Larger font is printed on the small magnet with your most popular frozen foods for even easier referencing. Makes a thoughtful gift for all occasions. Batter dispenser. Sturdy and unbreakable. Ibeo batter dispenser is newly upgraded to sturdy and drop-resistant ABS material, so you don't have to worry about using it a few times before it is damaged. Don't have to worry about it being broken due to transportation, and don't have to worry about the dispenser falling from the tabletop anymore. The internal mixer system. Ibeo pancake batter dispenser has a built-in manual metal whisk. Just give the easy-to-use mixer a quick turn or two, and the internal whisk will do the rest. The last batch of pancakes will be just as perfect as the first. Garlic twister. Multi-held kitchen tool that can mince all kinds of ingredients, from garlic to ginger, herbs, nuts, and more. Instructions. Use the garlic twister to smash the garlic clove and loosen the skin for peeling. See video. This also softens the garlic. Place 2 to 3 cloves in the unit and progressively twist while working your way down. Expect minced bits mixed with juices to come out. Spoon holder. Versatility. This ceramic spoon holder measures 6.1 into 5 inches, enough to easily hold spoons, spatulas, coffee spoons, etc. The spoon holder is also very useful for organizing your accessories, watches, and other delicate small items. Unique look. The reactive glaze with swirling pattern creates an elegant look. Billbock. Trivets set. You will receive 4 pieces of trivets for hot dishes, measuring 7 inches in diameter and 0.3 inches thick. These hot pads for kitchen blend boho and country farmhouse styles, suitable for dishes, pans, and pans under 7 inches. Excellent water absorption. These hot pads is made of cotton ropes, which are super absorbent and sturdy. No worry about dishes or pans will dirty your table. Pure cotton material supports hand wash and machine wash. Heat resistant. Our pot holders are thickened to withstand temperatures up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. They can be placed under hot dishes, hot pots, and pans as protection and decoration, which can effectively block heat sources, scratches, and stains, perfectly protecting the tabletop and extending the life of the table. Toaster tongs. Meet Bernie, the bunniest toaster tongs ever. Made by design awarded Ototo Studio, Bernie the bunny-shaped toaster tongs are ready to conquer even the toughest of hurdles. Once the toast is ready, he'll hop in to serve your breakfast. Comfiest non-slip grip. Don't ever stress about the mess with Bernie. Made from non-slip and heat-resistant beechwood material, our mini tongs for appetizers offer an ergonomic and secure grip that can help you grab toast. Food scale. Kitchen must-have. Friedel's digital food scale with removable bowl and measuring cup is the kitchen gadget you didn't know you needed for all your cooking, baking, meal prep, and food weighing needs. High-precision scale. Accurately measure wet and dry ingredients in 1 gram 0.1 ounce increments so you don't miss a gram or ounce in your cooking and baking. It easily converts to G-pods, F-ods, and ml. Multifunctional. This digital kitchen scale includes a large, detachable stainless steel mesh strainer set. Seal steel ring, long handle. All sizes of fine mesh strainer feature a sturdy wire frame and have rust-proof screens. Securely attached long handle increase the loading capacity and protect you from scalding when removing the noodles from boiling water. 3 most popular sizes: 2.8-inch strainer for tea, quinoa, or coffee, 4.7-inch strainer for powder sugar, cocoa powder, and 7.87-inch strainer for quinoa, pasta. A kitchen must have all your straining, sieving, sifting, filtering, and rinsing tasks. No wasted food. The strainer's fine mesh nets easily catch and sift, strain, or drain the small ingredients. Dash mini rice cooker. More than rice. Oatmeal, stew, soup, quinoa, rice, and pasta. The 2-cup capacity allows for healthier portion control or individual, quick and easy breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, or sides. Quick plus easy. Sep time is minutes. Simply add water and your uncooked rice, pasta, or veggies, and press the cook button. Your steamed meal or side is ready in less than 20 minutes with less cleanup. Keep warm function. Updated with a keep warm non-stick grill pans. Non-stick and easy to clean. The Switzerland Eilag non-stick coating is very effective in preventing anything from sticking to the surface, even with minimal oil, and also makes cleaning a breeze. Just wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water. Free of PFOA and PFOS. Sturdy and durable. This grill pan is made of die-cast aluminum, sturdy and no warp. The Bakelite handle features comfortable to grip and stays cool to the touch. Versatile griddle pan. This is a versatile tool to sear, sauté, bake, broil, braise, or fry. You can cook steak, bacon, grilled cheese, chicken breast, and veggies indoor or outdoor, no matter the weather is hot or cold, wet or dry. Good for all cooktops. This grill skillet can be used on gas, electric, induction, and glass or ceramic cooktops. The thick, high magnetic, conductive stainless steel base helps distribute heat evenly and quickly. Perfect grill marks. The raised ribs leave perfect grill marks for a great presentation and keep the fat down in the grooves. The pour spouts on either side of the pan make it easy to drain those excess fats and liquids.